My people, today again I'm here to show you what is my area. What I'm living in Lakeview. Lakeview is one of the suburbs in North Adelaide. I'm living in 2 minutes from my house to here, and today I would like to show you this home display. Simon home display in Lakeview, and I would like to show you what like a geography situation in here. We have this small lake. We have our shopping center is there. The house you saw in front there. We have our primary school in there. It's a private school, but it's a primary and secondary school there. We have our park where we always take our children to play, and we have a medical center, we have pharmacy, we have some restaurants in there, and this is the area we will visit this home display. Bonjour mes amis, aujourd'hui je vais vous montrer comment notre quartier, le quartier du Nord Adelaide. J'ai vu 2 minutes de ma maison jusqu'ici, je vais conduire 2 minutes seulement. Et vous voyez, c'est comme si le centre de notre quartier, nous avons ces petits lacs, nous avons notre centre commercial là-bas, nous avons une école primaire et secondaire, et le parc, là où nous amenons les enfants chaque fois, c'est là-bas. Mais nous allons visiter cette maison. Donc venez avec moi, parce que nous allons visiter ensemble. We have this entryway. The decorated with big ginger jar with a clock and the vase with flowers. There, this is the common place of this house. You see the decoration. Everything is cool, as you can see. They have sofa, they have pillows. You see this big tray? I like it. I like the decoration. We have this table here with the light, the lamp, yeah. Then we have the dining area. Nice decorating. You see? Everything is decorated. I really appreciate. We have the kitchen here. It's marble. The place to put a fridge, a big fridge. You can see all the decoration in here. Everything is pretty and nice. The stove, gas stove, the oven. Here we have some drawers. You can put your spoon, your fork, your knife, everything you want. We have other drawers there. We have the dishwash, double sink, the countertop, the microwave is here. Then we have another living area. You can choose yourself if this will be your children area or that one. You can choose what you want. Dans cette maison, vous voyez, c'est des salons. Vous pouvez choisir si vous voulez que les enfants restent ici ou si les enfants restent là-bas. Vous voyez, il y a un porte-appareil, il y a un TV. C'est nice. Vraiment, le salon est trop grand. Tu peux relaxer dans ce salon sans problème. Tout est bien placé. Les rideaux, vous voyez, on les a mis en haut et on les a vraiment fixés très bien. Ça ne dépasse pas. Et puis, on a dépassé les barres là. On a dépassé ça, on l'a mis en haut. Une très bonne disposition. Les sizes of the curtain are very nice. How big is this room? Then if you come in this corner, draw your drawers and here. And if you come in this corner, you have a double sink. In here, in some storage, like the size of this, and the bathroom is here, and the toilet is there. I like the size, and the kind of the size, everything is good in this house. In carpet, we have, in room, we have carpet. Carpet floor. I really like it. Everything in here. Yeah, this is the first house. Next time we didn't go outside to see. We can go outside to see. This is a kitchen pantry. The kitchen pantry is here. If you come in this side, there is a room in here. It's a good size. You can fit the king size or queen size bed with double bedside. We have the dressing in here. A very good size. Yeah, you can see this room also. If you come in this side, it's a good size for your baby or children room. It has dressing also. Yeah. They put this for where we can put the baby pajamas. In this side, we have laundry. Your machines there. You can use this for storage. There is a slide door which goes outside. Then you come in this side. There is toilet, visitor toilet, We have a good size of bathroom. You see, I really like this one. Vraiment, j'aime ces marobés. It's a good size of how do they call it? C'est ok. Le marobé est trop grand. Le shower is here. Double sink. Not double sink, but one sink with some storage and the picture frame there. Here we have liner. You can put your blanket, you can storage something here, maybe your vacuum and everything. We have another room here. Is also a good size. You can put your boy, your daughter, your son in this room. It has also the wardrobe, not wardrobe, the robe for your house, for your clothing. And then this house has four bedrooms. We already visited 2 rooms, and the third one is here. You have your fireplace with a mirror, or if you want, you can put your TV there. If you want, you can leave the mirror like that. Then we come to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Oh. Can you imagine how this room is decorated? I like the pillows, I like the blanket, I like the bed choice. Everything is perfect. This corner they put this sofa, then they put this, you can put your tea or your coffee. Your friends, you can organize everything in here. Some people can sit here, other people can sit there, and you can put your barbecue maybe in that corner and eat your meal in a good mood. Hein? Yes. Vraiment, j'aime cette maison, j'aime comment elle est décorée. Et vraiment, ils ont eu des bons décorateurs ou décoratrices dans cette maison. Il y a les air condition is there, et les arbres et tous les déchets restent là-bas. Vous voyez, il n'y a pas le temps que la place puisse se salir. Quand les déchets, on les balaye, on les jette là-bas. Et ça donne aussi une bonne atmosphère, car c'est comme si ce sont des fleurs, des feuilles séchées, et ça look bien, ça ressemble très bien. C'est ça la visite que nous avions fait dans cette maison. Je pense que si tu as besoin de construire votre maison, if you need to build a house, don't hesitate to contact Simon. They have a lot of office. They have one in Ingo Valley. They have this in Blackview. They have all over Adelaide. If you want to build your own house, you can contact them and you can visit them. They can tell you what to do to build your own house. They have 3 home display, but for today we will visit this. Next time we will visit the double-story house in our left. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for today. Don't hesitate to like, to subscribe, and to share with your friends. And don't hesitate to contact Simon. Thank you so much. Next time we will visit this house and the double story. And go to the second floor.